If someone keeps pushing tiny boundaries with you, they're using something called the kindling effect, and you won't see it coming until it's too late. It starts small. They show up unannounced but bring coffee so it feels sweet. They read your texts over your shoulder as a joke. They make little digs disguised as a concern about your weight or your friends. Each violation feels only slightly worse than the last one, so your brain adapts. What felt wrong last month feels normal today. Here's how it escalates. First, they test your boundaries to see what you'll tolerate. Then they normalize disrespect by making you feel like you're overreacting. Finally, they create dependency by becoming your main source of validation. The scariest part? You don't notice because your tolerance adjusts gradually. It's like a frog in boiling water. The temperature rises so slowly you don't jump out. By the time you realize what's happening, small boundary violations have become major control tactics. The good news? Recognizing this pattern is the first step to stopping it. Follow it for more psychology that could save your relationships.